Welcome to Global Command. One tiny offer can fund your whole business, if it sits on the right ladder. In 3 minutes, I'll show you how to stack one micro offer into a 5-rung value ladder that earns now, next, and always. I'll give you the 30-minute build script at the end. Afternoons move cash, mornings make assets. Today we build the asset, a ladder your customers can climb. No pressure, no tricks, just clear next steps. Spark is the yes starter. A tiny paid win, a template, mini audit, quick consult, or preset. Promise one outcome in one sitting. Starter is the guided version of Spark. Same outcome, more help, walkthrough, checklist, brief call, or done with you pass. Core is your main transformation, a productized service or concise program that delivers a clear before and after within 2 to 4 weeks. Flagship is the deep solve, custom implementation, retainer setup, or premium package for clients who need speed, scope, or certainty. Continuity keeps the win alive. Office hours, templates, updates, reports, private community, or maintenance. Month by month, less churn, more signal. Run 3 moves to make this ladder click. Bind each rung to the same outcome, no random offers. Bridge every rung with a single next step written on the receipt. Bundle adjacent rungs into 2 option choices, starter versus core, core versus flagship, never 3. You don't need a crowd. From 20 Spark buyers, expect roughly 6 to take starter, 2 to take core, and 1 to ask about flagship, if your bridge is explicit. Designer, Spark brand audit, starter logo kit, core brand sprint, flagship full identity, continuity asset updates. Developer, Spark performance check, starter fix package, core optimization sprint, flagship rebuild, continuity monitoring. Consultant, Spark 30-min diagnosis, starter roadmap light, core 4-week project, flagship transformation, continuity advisory. 10 minutes, choose the one outcome all rungs serve. 10 minutes, draft each rung in 1 sentence, who, outcome, time, price. 10 minutes, write the bridges, the specific next step printed on the receipt. Your business doesn't need more offers. It needs a path. Build the ladder. Post your 5 rungs in the comments, and I'll reply with 1 upgrade per rung.